Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if this is the first time you are stopping in, welcome and thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your stay here with me. All right, today I'm unboxing Cloth and Paper's July subscription box. So let's go ahead, open this up and take a look. All right, so of course it includes the what's inside card. I've got some little extra stuff in here. All right, so it's got everything on here. So thank you for subscribing to our July 2021 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we've created for you to use in your planning routine. All right, I'm going to refer to this, but I'm just gonna open this up so that way you can see how everything looks in here. Oh my goodness, what do we got? Wow, you know, I have to admit, I saw a sneak peek of this stuff and I don't know why I sound so surprised because I think I just forgot. But now that I open it up, I'm like, oh yeah, I remember this. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna scoop everything out. I'm going to refer to the card and go over everything with you. But I like to take everything out of the packaging to get rid of the glare and kind of cut down on all of the time to share everything with you. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna start off with the dashboards. This month's dashboards were lovingly curated to inspire from the Cloth and Paper family to you. The handwritten dashboard is Ashley's personal note to remind you of your unwavering potential. The editorial travel dashboard was composed by two of our gifted employees. Carry a little bit of us everywhere you go, or wherever you go, sorry. All right, let's see here. Okay, so we've got this one right here. It says, I saw that my life was a vast, growing, empty page, and I could do anything I wanted. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, I like that. And in the handwriting. And then this one is traveling is an exhilarating experience. To commit to purpose within your travels is to truly engage in the world around you. I love that very first sentence. It's really, really beautiful. I'm not going to read this whole thing to you, but it looks like it's Lauren O. and Kaylin H. All right, so now we're on to the inserts. The only thing better than taking a vacation is planning a vacation. Keep track of all your travel essentials with the packing list inserts. The daily itinerary inserts provide ample space to section out your day at home or away and plan ahead for future adventures with the 2021 September horizontal weekly inserts. All right, so we've got 3 inserts. Just gonna break it down and go through each one in detail. So this is the packing list, and I received the HP Classic size. They do have obviously other sizes available, but let's take a look at this right here. All right, so packing list. Oh, I like this. All right, so we've got essentials, and then it's got bullet points here to check things off as you pack them. Clothing, the same thing, and it is lined. Toiletries, technology, and shoes. All right, and then let's see. And then we've got, oh, okay. And then on the back side is just blank, and you can put whatever headings you need to in here. I love these. These are pretty awesome. So there are quite a few of these here, which is really nice. And that would be great to use for packing things up as you are going on all of the trips. Oh my gosh, who is traveling? I would love to know. Drop a comment below. Are you going somewhere? Tell me where you're going if you have a vacation planned. We've all been locked down for so long, and I know a lot of people are out and about and doing all the things. So drop a comment below and let me know where you are headed or have already been. All right, so the next one, we've got a daily itinerary. Ooh, okay, let's take a look here. All right, so we've got some line grid here, and then it is planned out and it's hourly. Okay, well that's pretty cool. You've got a section here for the date. weather, and you could check it off, highs and lows, things to do, and then the meals, and then your notes. Okay, I like this. This is nice. This is very, just very, very functional. So, and then we've got the same thing here. So I'm assuming that all of these are the same. Yes. Oh, and I completely forgot that on the inside, oops, I don't know why I'm showing it to you that way. On the inside of these pages, they do put a demo on here. So if you are not sure how to use an insert, you can refer to that page that's showing like what the actual insert is. It's got the little demo on there. So just a little bit of info for you. All right, now we are on to the horizontal weekly, and this is for September. So in the previous box, in June's box, we received July and August. And these are horizontal layout, and this is new for 2022. That this is like their new layout that they are carrying in horizontal. So we've got a space here. We've got Monday through Friday. Sorry, I jumped a little bit ahead of myself. We've got Monday through Friday. It is dated. We've got a blank space, no lines there. And then this is a line grid section. And of course, in horizontal layout. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with this. And then on this side, we've got Saturday and Sunday. And then there is a box, no lines, no bullet points, nothing. It just says priorities. This one's memo, and this one's next week. And then you have your month at a glance down here in the corner. So new layout from Cloth and Paper that is coming in the subscription boxes, and my understanding is every subscription box from here till the end of the year, we will be receiving one of these inserts. So if you get or thinking about getting the Cloth and Paper subscription box, then you can look forward to getting those inserts in there. All right, so now we have a reusable pouch, and I do not know how to say this. I'm not even gonna try because I'm gonna just butcher it and sound ridiculous. So this one is a reusable pouch. Stay collected on the go with our stunning reusable pouch, the perfect companion for all your summer events. It's equally at home, housing toiletries, pens, or sticky notes, not to mention it pairs perfectly with our new Cloth and Paper vanity cases. Have you seen Cloth and Paper's vanity cases? Yeah, I'm gonna link their shop down below and you can go take a look. They are stunning. But here's the little pouch, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty good size. So these are always nice, like these clear pouches where, you know, you can just put anything in there and keep it nice and secure. It's nice when they're plastic because if you are putting toiletries in here and something like leaks out, it's not going to get like everywhere. So that is a nice idea for any travel usage. All right, so now we're going to move on to some accessories. All right, so we've got circle sticky note set. July is all about the exclusive. Our circle sticky note set featuring the colors Angora, Mojito, and Cypress. Ooh, delivers all the soothing summery vibes you have been searching for. Wow, a mojito. It sounds amazing. Doesn't a mojito sound delicious? Yeah, I obviously like the mojitos. They're awesome. And Cloth and Paper does have every Friday, they have their happy hour. Oh my gosh, that is such a cool concept, by the way. They do either an alcoholic or a non-alcoholic drink at, it's 3 o'clock, I think. I forget what time zone. I apologize. I don't remember, but I believe it's 3 p.m. Eastern, maybe Eastern time. And they do happy hour. And that's when they have new releases or something like being re-released, anything like that. And it happens every Friday unless they say otherwise. And like I said, there's always some drink involved, and they usually share the recipe with us, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So 3 o'clock's a little early for me to start drinking, but you know what? No judgment. You do you. And but that's just me. You know, I'm still doing things at 3 o'clock on Friday, like picking up kids from school. So yeah, I don't think I should be drinking at that time. Anyway, this one is the Palette Volume 1, and I love this color. I'm not big on the green, but ooh, these are paper. Oh, I love them. I love them. We've been getting a lot of transparent ones, and even though they're really, really pretty, you definitely have to have the right pen to write on them. And I do. I have it. I have the right pen to write on the transparent ones, but is it ever round when I need it? Not usually. So I really like the paper stickies. So yeah, that's nice. I like that. All right, let's move on to the Spotlight page flags. Presenting, I feel like I need a drum roll. Presenting our Spotlight page flags, the newest addition to our transparent page flag collection. Subscribers are the first to receive this new design. Use them to highlight tasks or appointments that deserve a shining moment. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's got like this little bullet point on here, and it's just this little page flag. So it's transparent with the little dot. Oh, I like that. That I like. Look at that. That's cute. All right, so you write out whatever it is, and then you grab this little guy and you highlight it. There you go. You spotlight it. Sorry, spotlight it. So we've got that color. You know what? I'm going to put these on the back because then that way you can see it. They're all stacked, and then that way... This way you can actually see the true color of them, because when they're all stacked, they always look a lot darker than what they actually are. Ooh, I like that color. This one's really light, like to be a spotlight. It's like white on white, right? Okay, let's see. Oh, well, no, of course it does have a little color, so that is pretty. Very pretty. I like the fact that you just put that right over anything that you need to spotlight. Love it. Super cute. All right, now we are on to travel label stickers. All right, so these look pretty cool. Keep track of your toiletries with our exclusive travel label stickers. These transparent stickers fit perfectly on all your travel bottles. All right. All right, so it's minimal label stickers. It's one sheet, and it is, well, we've got 2 shampoos. There's a couple of, ooh, they really thought of everything on here. Look at that. Shampoo, conditioner, of course, body wash. Those are like norms. Cleanser, hand cream, sunscreen, hair mask, lotion, toner, mouthwash, toothpaste, sanitizer, eye cream, moisturizer, and serum. Oh my gosh, these are cool. Now, I wonder how these hold up. Now, they definitely feel like on the thicker side, but let's not like regular sticker paper. Because my thought is that, you know, they're gonna get wet and then they're just gonna come off, because that has been my experience in the past whenever I've tried to like label anything with stickers, you know, for toiletries. But yeah, I like them. I like the font. It's nice and clear. So definitely like that. All right. So let's put that over here. All right, now the next thing we have, or the last things that we have, are the journaling cards. We have our month view, our September matte card, our clear card, and then there's a couple of quote cards here. All right, so here are our 2 month at a glance cards. This one is the transparent or clear one, and usually this has like a backing to it, but I don't know, I feel like this is just frosted like that, but I don't know, and maybe it might have a backing to it. I haven't really, I don't want to try to take it off because I want to scratch it. All right, and then we've got the cardstock month at a glance for September. Oh, and then we've got these journaling cards. I like these, the quote cards. To create something exceptional, your mind must be focused on the smallest detail. And it repeats. I like it. Giorgio Armani. Ooh, very cool. I like the color of the card too. And look at it, matches nicely with that. And then you still have a lot of time to make yourself be what you want, and that repeats. I love that. All right, and then I did want to share with you, this is of course the card that's the what's inside card, and then on the back there are illustrations of everything that you get now in the box, because that way if you're not sure what you have, you just refer to that. It's labeled and it has a picture to go with it. So that is awesome. So another beautiful subscription box from Cloth and Paper. I absolutely love this shop. Super minimalist. If you love minimalist in your planning style, then you definitely need to go and check out Cloth and Paper. I do have a link down below, so be sure to go through that so that way you can take a peek and see what they have. Some really cool things in here. Travel is obviously the main theme, and I like it. I like it a lot. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure that you are doing all of the things. That would be subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan, drop a comment, hit the like. Oh my gosh, it's like you need a list. But no, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you can do one of those things, I would greatly appreciate it. But thank you so much and have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time. Bye.